Hi friends, now we are going to see baby food which will give a baby a good weight gain and brain development, and since this food is very stomach filling, baby will get good health. So you can give this to the babies for above 8 months. You can give this food up to 2 years. Come, let's see how to do this. Take a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of moong dal, and then we have to wash it thoroughly. After this, we have to drain all the water, and then we have to dry roast it in the pan. We have to dry roast it till all the moisture is evaporated, till the moong dal gets dry. After that, we are going to add 1 spoon of poha, that's flattened rice. We have to dry roast it along that moong dal. Then I am adding 1 spoon of roasted chana dal, then 2 badams, 2 cashews. We have to roast it along with all the other ingredients. Now we have to transfer it and we have to cool it for a while, and then we have to grind it in the mixer grinder. We will get fine powder. After that, in a bowl, we have to pour 2 glasses of water, and then we have to add 2 spoons of that grinded powder, and we have to mix it well so that no lumps is there in the soup. Then we have to cook it for around 5 to 10 minutes till it get thickened. If you want liquid consistency, you can add more water. If you want thick consistency, you can add less water. Now it's almost cooked. That's all, our baby food is ready. Thank you.